What you don't realize is that after you're done with a cut, that's it. You just return to maintenance. You don't have to keep on starving yourself like that. I'm eating 2,000 to 2,500 calories right now, and as soon as I get down to where I want to be, I'm going back up to 31 to 3,200. I'm being a fat fuck again, right? I can eat whatever the fuck I want and stay, as long as I'm staying within those calories, I'm going to be shredded. I'm going to be fucking cut. I'm going to be lean. And it's super easy to maintain that. You know how much 700 to 1,200 calories is? That's a lot of fucking food that I get to eat again now. Like, it's like I suffer for this little bit, and then the rest of my life, I'm good. I don't understand why nobody wants to do that.